Dumela. Ke rona mme wa Pula. This is the process that goes through creating each and every piece. It is different. It is never the same. Therefore, I can never claim that I am the one who is designing all this. It is us, the spirits within me, as I journey through the spirit world, and I'm being told and guided the hows and the whats, the lives lived, past lifetimes. Yeah. Yes. Of course. Designing every piece of its wearable art, enhanced in energy, infused in fire, infused with the skies, the winds, the air, the universe. Kirona. Kirona. So when you do own a piece and you do wear it, understand that taking it off, put it in the place where it is visible, where your aspirations and your dreams are, where you visualize yourself every today, not in 5 years' time, not in 2 years' time, not tomorrow, today, because you only have today and every today, many, many, many of them. Live them. Trust in you, love in you, fall in love with you. That's all that is me, all that is us. Get it twa child, twa in love and beauty. I see you. I see you. I love you.